Hello dear viewers of Aspiring Life YouTube channel. I Choitali Sengupta welcomes you all to our channel once again. Today I am going to discuss a student who wants to be a doctor should not go to Bangladesh if the student is afraid of exams, be it theory, practical or viva. Because in Bangladesh, everyday card exams, alternative days of viva exams are always there. That means a student has to prepare himself or herself regular basis. So if you think, no, I don't want to study more or appear to so many exams, Bangladesh is not your destination. Secondly, if a student and also the parents who wants their student to have more holidays in Bangladesh and always being home for 30 long a month, 30 days, that is a month holiday, or 60 days in a year or 90 days in a year holidays, don't go to Bangladesh. Because as we all know, MBBS comprises of the 19 subjects. That means it's a very vast curriculum. So you cannot have so much of holidays. For example, if you get holidays 2 days in a week, or 30 days or 90 days in a year, when you calculate at the end of your 5 years course, we can see we lose around 250 days. So that is one of the reason in Bangladesh we have 5 years course and 1 year of internship. Unlike many other countries where there is 6 years course, 1 year internship, or 7 years course and 1 year internship, because they get a whole lot of holidays. And if you get a whole lot of holidays in a year, and if you lose 250 days after 5 years, you cannot complete your syllabus. So if you're ready to have less holidays, that is only 1 weekly holiday, and then you get after prop you get holidays like same like in India, in Indian medical colleges for 5 days or 10 days, you should go to Bangladesh. You can get leave in Eid for 2 days. Saraswati Puja is very well celebrated in the college itself, and like Ganesh Chaturthi, as I said in earlier videos of mine, in Dussehra also get 3 to 4 days holiday. So in a year, if you go to Bangladesh, approx 19 to 21 holidays you get in a year. So this about the holidays I've completed about the exams and daily viva pattern, regular card examinations, items, everything. Now let us come to budget, which is an important part to the parents, because the parents sponsor their child, be it directly from them or through the bank loan, the education loan facilities. So in these cases, I would like to aware the parents, if you have a budget of minimum 23 lakhs for 5 years, then you can think of a college in Bangladesh. But nothing less than 18 lakhs, tuition hostel, or 15 lakhs, no. Don't calculate only these things, tuition and hostel. There are other, expenses, like a student will come in holidays, so there is an expense of train fare or air fare or bus fare. How nominal each expense is, but you have to calculate because it is for 5 years. Then the fooding expenses, then examination fee, there is some university registration fee, practical fee for exams. So there are small expenses we need to calculate. And one thing I want to aware the parents, that is, if you in the first year minimum you should have 6 lakhs. If you can have or arrangement of 6 lakhs, you can think of Bangladesh, because most of the good colleges, their fees for the first year, that is admission fee, is approx 6 lakhs. If you're ready with that, please go ahead, because in most of the case of education loan, the bank you get loan very smoothly in the second year, because a student is staying in 1 year in the college, he or she get a bona fide letter, so the bank is very happy seeing that the parent had already given the first year fees, there is no due, no fine. So the bank also get confident and the parents can get the loan in the second year more smoothly than getting an education loan in the first year. There are banks which gives you education loan in the first year, but it is always very smooth to get bank loan from the second year onwards. Thirdly, let us come to another point. For the bank loan, Aspiring Life will help all the parents with the documents they require. Rest, all the property papers, all the documents, income documents will be of the parents. Aspiring Life can help you with the college offer letter, with the MCI registration or not, WHO registration, BMDC, and all the relevant papers you require for it. Let us come to, so we have completed syllabus, holidays, budget, bank loan too, and to students and parents. Many students, basically, we get, carried away by the infrastructure of other countries' colleges. I will not name those countries, but when it comes to Bangladesh, students say, why Bangladesh? It's like not a neighboring country, it's like our own family, going from this part to that part. So they prefer going to other big countries because they get attracted by the infrastructure or the countries, everything. But let me tell you, in other countries, in the one campus, there are more than 80,000 students staying, but for what? Both for medical and non-medical courses. But that should not be the way. We believe that should not be the way. Medical students should have a separate, campus, which you get. All this you get very comfortable in Bangladesh medical colleges. This is what. And about the teacher, just like in India, your college teacher will not prepare your professional examinations papers. In Bangladesh, they follow the same rule. The teacher who is teaching in your colleges, taking exams, will not write or prepare your papers when you sit for the university examinations. So thorough study you have to do, lot of hard work you have to do, and to know more about Bangladesh medical colleges, their study, their curriculum, the practical knowledges, please WhatsApp or call me at 9051 772900 and click on the notification bell and subscribe to Aspiring Life YouTube channel. Thank you.